asked all the time, what camera should I buy? Everyone wants to know what's the best camera. Well, really, there isn't one good camera. It all depends on what your needs are. For what we do, I need something that's almost disposable. Something that if I lose it or break it or it gets destroyed anyway, I'm not out a lot of money. But at the same time, it needs to still be good quality video. Well, I'm here to recommend a very good camera. It's affordable and it takes amazing video. For what it is, you can't beat it. It also comes with a ton of accessories, all the little tiny pieces that add up fast. There's a lot of value in this package. And it's compatible with all the GoPro accessories. So you can use all the same mounts. And with Amazon, there are so many affordable mounts out there. Selfie sticks, suction cup mounts, you name it, roll bar mounts. Your shots are pretty much endless of what you're capable of getting. It takes some amazing video. The camera's affordable. Parts are available for it. Replacement parts if you damage it. You can't go wrong with purchasing this camera. The only downside I seen of the whole entire camera was the photo quality. Not the best, but we all have cell phones. And with that, I will leave you with some random footage so you can check out what we put this through.